Hello, I'm glad to introduce our tiny house for you. This is our model, this is our true tiny house. Hello, welcome to our tiny house. Please come. This is your living room. This is table. You can cook here. This is kitchen. You can cook here. Look these windows. Open and close. This is cabin. And looks like it was here. And this cabin. Okay, it's all good. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And this is a small room for you. You can sit here and enjoy everything you want to hear. Or you can put a TV here and look TV here. And this is another windows. You can enjoy sunshine here. And this is electricity is good. And look this. Here is a big box. Here is a small box here. And you can put your shoes here. Come on, follow me. This is your bathroom. You can wash hands here. And this is well, you can wash here and water mark. As it is Australia standard water mark. Let's go upstairs with your room. This is your bedroom. Yes, and you can sleep here. And when you sleep, you can look to the side, look the view outside. You can enjoy sunshine, enjoy the raining, enjoy snowing, enjoy everything you want to do. And this is another small bedroom. Okay, that's all.